For as long as I can remember, I've been passionate about politics. I would wake up on Sunday mornings and watch Meet the Press. One of my childhood heroes was Tim Russert, and I would admire the way that he would grill these politicians and ask the tough questions, and it always felt like he was on your side. And I remember thinking as a young kid, wow, I want to do that. As I was looking around the country at all of these different broadcast journalism schools, I wanted a place where I could get involved right away. In virtually every class that I've taken in the School of Communication, I have a hands-on learning experience. I'm getting out there, I'm working with cameras, I'm meeting new people, trying to tell their story. Because this isn't a 9-to-5 job, and it shouldn't be a 9-to-5 class. It's about having new experiences every day. But I also wanted a place where I would meet faculty that I could genuinely connect with. Just this past summer, I got an email from one of my professors, and he said, I know you're getting ready to start your senior year, and it's going to be really important as you enter the workforce to have a good reel. So here are 4 or 5 story ideas. I didn't ask him to do that and hadn't heard from him in months, but he went out of his way to think about what stories I could tell so that when I graduate, I would have a job. That's the kind of thing I don't think you get other places. The School of Communication really is like a family, and it sounds cheesy, but it's true because I have personal relationships with everybody that I work with, and that makes it a lot of fun. So it feels like this is a place where people want to work together. I'm the station manager of our student television station, and we just worked on this election special, and it was a collaborative process that involved everybody across the school. We have 7 different shows, and all 7 pitched in some different way. And I think in a lot of ways, that's emblematic of what the School of Communication is all about. We're at a very unique point in our history, and a lot of people say, are you concerned about getting into this industry and nobody trusts you? I kind of feel the opposite. I feel like now more than ever, we need trusted, reliable journalists, people who have learned to do this as their craft, and who believe in the power of truth and being unbiased, because now more than ever, we are so polarized and divided in so many ways. I think that journalism has the power to heal those divides. My long-term goal is just to make a difference. That's why I picked broadcast journalism. So I hope that at the end of my career, I can look back and say that the stories I've told, people I've interviewed, and policy that I have hopefully shaped in some ways has made a difference. And if I can say that, I'll call my career a success. No, this is how I talk, I know. It never turns off. If you're waiting for me to break into my normal voice, it won't happen.